Welcome to another edition of the Savant Investor. Please support us by subscribing. Where is the housing market heading? The bond market appears to be signaling the worst is over for the economy. The bond market has caught a tiny bit of the stock market optimism, and it's selling off on the idea that the economy may have hit rock bottom in April. The Fed has set its target rate at 0 because of fears the economy will have a hard time getting out of the deepest and most rapid recession in history. But the Fed is also actively buying Treasury and other securities. The worst of the economic hit might be in the rear view mirrors. Mortgage rates are at a historic lows. There's never been a cheaper time to get a mortgage for most Americans, but finding a home you can afford is a whole other ball game entirely. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate increased to an average of 3.18% during early June, a decrease of 3 basis points from the previous week when rates dropped to a record low. Jobs report shocker is evidence economy is playing catch-up to a ray of sunshine market. The consensus forecast had called for payrolls to drop by 8.3 million and for the unemployment rate to rise to 19.5%. But last week's payroll report stunned everyone with an increase of 2.5 million, which was the largest on record, while the unemployment rate fell to 13.3% from 14.7%. So what does that leave us with housing? Have you seen that classic movie, Gone with the Wind, with Clark Gable and Vivian Leigh as Scarlett O'Hara? It was an awesome scene when Scarlett's father was holding her hand and explaining his wealth by showing his land, his riches that his ancestor has built and bestowed upon him. Buy land, they don't make them anymore, the famous Mark Twain quote. Fortune has been built based on real estate since the birth of this nation.
Yes, things are getting better. Sales are improving alongside all the indicators. External data are also showing signs of improvement, but it's too early to celebrate. We're still low on inventory due to so few homes up for sales, while the demand is growing bigger and bigger every day. The pandemic has damaged the economy, but housing continues to improve no matter which way the economy is going.